Welcome. So today I will do something a little bit different by showcasing a case for the new iPhone 14 Pro. So I do also have one for just the 14, which is a little bit different, and these will be from Guess. Now this specific one might not be necessarily my cup of tea, but this one is a little bit better. Probably still not my cup of tea, but like I said, this one is for the 14, but this one is the 14 Pro. So anyway, let's just unpack it and see how it fits on the phone. I'll mention one thing. I do have right now like the silicone case, but as you can probably see, it doesn't really go on fully, just because it has this weird thing around the cameras, and I do have a camera protection. So we will see if that has any kind of downsides on this case, which I think it actually should be fine. So this is, I think, just still rubber. The case is quite stiff. Kind of feels like if I would bend it a little bit harder, something will break. There you go. So anyway, I just pop it on. Hopefully it will fit with the camera module. And it does. And it actually fits perfectly with it. So you can see that with the little sticky thing that protects the camera, it's basically flush with the bezel that comes on the case. So that's really nice. And there you go. So that's kind of how it looks like. Just clean that off. There's no smudges. There we go. Looks a little bit better. So here we go. Anyway, it was just a simple video, not much more to show, it's just a case. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.